Oh, sit down. Put your things there, down there. But don't.
Only see their blood first.
Don't talk to them. Don't come near them.
What?
Don't talk to them. Yeah. Hey!
Ay, punta ka sa silo. Ayun sa silo.
Macy. Cosette, oh. Hi. Hey, Sila, how are you? God bless you. Hello, God bless you. Oh. Hello. Take up your hat.
I got K-pop fans now. We call it K-pop fan for no reason. How did I not see you? Yeah, me too. Alam na, vlogger na.
Hey, Chris.
Vlogger na, puro video.
Hey, mami, oh. Mami. Bless Lola. Bless Lola. How are you? Hi, Lami. How are you?
Pag-vlog tong dalawang to, walang ano, filter eh. Hindi maganda gumawa ng content.
Keep it.
Hindi kayo na traffic? Eh. Nung dumating kami dito lang umulan eh.
May problema tayo.
Ano?
Isa pa lang available.
Ah, okay.
Yung isa na
What's that?
Okay.
Mikaelo. Puto? Yeah. I think 16. No, 18. Ay, 20.
Hi, Mami. How are you?
Vlogger yan.
Mami, ah. Where are we going?
Me! You guys mali. Sige.
Ayun sila. Isayo. Okay, sir.
Papa Chris.
Ayun yung tatlo yun.
Oh, how's school, Saulo? How is your school?
It's okay so far.
Ah, that's good. You don't have a class on weekdays? You don't school on weekdays?
Only on, there's no class on Wednesdays only.
Ah, only on Wednesdays?
Yeah.
Really? Talaga? You have school during weekends also? No?
Yeah, but since it's been raining a lot, there's no class.
Ah.
Cook or you eat outside? Outside.
What?
Do you eat outside?
I just eat only outside.
Okay.
Okay.
But-
Outside the Ateneo?
No, within Ateneo. I just
Within?
don't-
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
I don't get to cook.
Ah. How did you find the Ateneo?
I think it varies from person to person.
Huh? Yes. Alright. Let's get our things. Come on, let's go.